Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing well. Today is another Come Shop With Me video, and today we're doing Bicester Village to be precise. If you haven't watched my extensive videos on Bicester, I'll leave those in my playlist up above. I think they even have basically, I've always done these because my first video that is still available on my channel, which it shouldn't be, is a Bicester Village haul. So I've always been a Bicester Village person, so it's not like I hopped on a trend or anything. But yeah, if you want to watch some more Come Shop With Me's and hauls, definitely watch. I'll leave the playlist up there. But today it is March, and today we are going to do a Come Shop With Me around Bicester Village to see what they've got in new. I am filming this video after the fact that I've been, because I just didn't have time this morning. I was like in a rush and stuff, and it took me longer than I usually does to get there today because of traffic. I don't know about where you live, but traffic has been ridiculous recently. In the last week, it's just gone crazy around my parts anyway. I'm looking and there's like a spider on my ceiling. And I can see it moving. But yeah, without further ado, let's go in to Bicester Village and the Come Shop With Me. I do want to hit up some stores, and I know I do. Gucci, Prada. I don't think I filmed anything in Prada because there was like literally no one in there and like 5 sales associates on me. Burberry and stuff like that. So let's get on into the video. So can we take a minute for how rainy it is at Bicester and how little people are here? It's, well the rain's not good, but whatever. We're going into Gucci first. And if you haven't watched my last Come Shop With Me, I also managed to get into Gucci as well to see what they have. They got this quite nice trench coat in here, which was over 800. Yeah, over 800. And shirts, the shirts were 110, which is actually I think a bit cheaper than what was in TK Maxx. Some watches over there, but that's not really my jam since I've got an Apple Watch now, just saying. And then we got the trench but in a navy, which is quite a classic nice style as well. They've got quite a few Disney x Gucci stuff still in, 280 for that t-shirt. This wasn't a Disney collaboration, and neither was this, but just showing you what the prices are. That was £470 for some reason, quite expensive. And then some jeans, some Disney jeans if that's your thing, and I did actually really like this. I didn't realise at the time it was Disney, but looking back it's got Disney on it, and you can get it in like matching shorts as well as oh, they had this cardigan which I think they had last time I was in here. I'm pretty sure they had this last time I came in, and this was, how much was it, that price? And they also had that print from a minute ago in like an anorak as well, very nice. And this cardigan was really nice actually, and not super extortionate at 100 and something. Next we're in Burberry. Burberry is one of my faves. There are t-shirts at the moment that are in here that aren't in the special price section, and I talk more about that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that, where if I can find it, geez, 110 for a white t-shirt with the Burberry logo on it. They also have it in a navy. I quite like these, which I think that was a bit cheaper, was it, at 80 or 90? I can't quite see on the screen that I'm viewing it on. And then we've got some more t-shirts over here. It was quite busy in Burberry even at this time. I feel like there's quite a lot of personal shoppers in when I go into these stores. There's quite a few puffer jackets, because going back to the personal shopper thing, a lot of them were taking pictures and videos and stuff, so I swear they're personal shoppers. And yeah, lots of different puffer jackets really. This one is very big and puffy. And how much is that? That is the price of that. Next we're actually going to try on some things. We're in the fitting room. Hello. This shirt was in an extra small, and I have had Burberry shirts in extra small before, where I haven't tried them on, and it is quite tight, which this is, and I'm doing the sitting down test and we're not popping out of it, but look at that, that's not cute. But this did have a slight check in it. The lighting in here is actually awful, but this was £41, which is ridiculous. Even the shirts I bought in there previous to the redesign weren't that cheap. They're around the £49, but we've also got this one, looking back at it, is a really nice shirt actually, and I think it was in the additional 30% off section, so I think it would have actually been cheaper than that. But that is really quite nice actually, with the check on it. This was in a medium, I believe, because it fits. And as you can see, this was probably about 10:30, I would say now, and it's still quite rainy. Next we're in North Face, which had loads of good deals, like this jacket, 25 quid for like a full zip up jacket, and that one was 22 in this really nice blue colour. And then we're next in Reiss now. They had a few things. Oh look, you can see I've made a sneaky purchase in North Face. £98 for that. Some of the stuff in here is a bit pricey, but really nice. They have some really nice classics in Reiss. This particular like camely coloured jacket and this navy one. Next we'll go into Dior, and in here we have got a few things. It seems quite sparse in here, but they might be able to bring you out some different stuff in different sizes, I guess, because that's what they did in Burberry. You could ask for different sizes. They didn't have actually everything out on stock on the floor, so yeah, that might be an option if you're looking for something in a particular size. They might go and have it out the back. They actually said that in the coupons when I was in the coupons as well. We've got some loafers here. I'm not making the same mistake of reading out the prices, which were wrong last time. That was like the discount percentage I was reading out. This bag was quite nice, a little bag with a card slot at the front, which is interesting. Next, Ted Baker. Got this nice t-shirt that's kind of colour blocky here. What was the price on this? There you go. This jumper, this jumper actually, it's got the pink on as well. Actually, I didn't look for something that I'd seen online. I should have. That's £53 for that jumper, which not majorly, well, it is quite discounted, but if you can get a shirt like this, shirt is £39, but for like what, £2 more, you can get a Burberry one. I know that was in the reduced section, but you get my gist. This was a nice half zip at 59. You know I love a half zip, I really do. And lots of stuff that we'd also seen before, to be honest, like that yellow stuff on the other side we'd seen in my previous Come Shop With Me, which I'll leave linked up above. Sorry about the camera work here. I'm not too sure about this, but this is my favourite colour. It's like splattered with stuff, but that was £45 for that polo shirt. Next we're going in Ralph Lauren, which looks like this. This has, I know people complained in previous videos that I say this stuff is quite expensive, but this is £55 for that t-shirt, or 52, and I'm like, I used to be able to get like something like that in here for 15, not too many years ago. We're talking like 6 years ago, so things have gone up obviously. This white t-shirt is the same as the one before, £52 that is. I do really like it. Well, this, I thought this was a half zip, it's not, it's a full zip. And then a shirt as well, but I will leave links to the charity shop video I did the other day where you can get good deals in charity shops on Ralph Lauren. That was the Come Shop With Me around, I was going to say Milton Keynes, around Bicester Village. I've been out a long time today, literally so long, because I've been to Bicester and I've been to IKEA, I've been to Central Milton Keynes and back home, and Tesco's and Snappy Snaps in my hometown as well. It's just been a day of getting stuff done, but nevertheless I'm a bit exhausted now. But yeah, so what did we think of Bicester? I nearly pulled a trigger on the stuff that I tried on in Burberry. Well, one of the things I wasn't going to buy the other one because it was a bit too I didn't want to pay, but Burberry has got their prices back. Hello. If you've watched my videos for a while, you would know that before Burberry's like redesign, when it reopened, which was in 2020, like after lockdown, I think that was, wasn't it? I think it might have been September or something like that. It was 2020 anyway. The store at Bicester was quite, well, I say reasonable. They had some things that were reasonably priced, like shirts that you could get for like £49, and I have got shirts from Burberry for £49, and the one I tried on today that was the short sleeve one was £41. Unfortunately, they only had it in 2 sizes in that store, the extra small and the extra extra large. I tried on, what you would have seen me trying on was the extra small, and I could have fit, I did fit in it, but I've had Burberry shirts in the past that are extra small and they literally don't do up well actually. I think I've sold them now, but they didn't do up. So, and it was tight, and I didn't want to put that pressure on myself to have to lose a little bit of weight in order to fit into it. I would have loved a medium. The second one I tried on, which was the actual check one, was a medium, and that would have been better, but nonetheless, it was not meant to be. I nearly pulled the trigger on it. I did ask the sales associate, did she have it in any other sizes? She did actually go and check. She said probably not, but I'll go check, and she went out the back and didn't, but she actually bought me out a few different things that were similar and stuff, but it was not meant to be. Actually, I don't think it was a medium, that green one I tried on. Was it a small? I can't remember. Maybe it was a medium. Yeah, I think it was a medium, because then I asked, do you have another one in a medium, which was 55. So the prices, they've got a special price section. Like, there's 2 bits of special prices, so always look out for those if you're going to go in Burberry. But yeah, I did buy a few things. Only a few, really small stuff. And the next video, so Friday's video, is going to be a Bicester Village haul for you to enjoy and check out. But yeah, let me know down below if you've been to Bicester recently and what your thoughts are, or if you've been to any other outlet recently. I really do want to try and get to Ashford, even though it's a bit far out. Sorry, this is just a tripod that I use to focus myself. Yeah, I do want to get there, because they look like there's some good shops there that aren't as higher priced as Bicester, but more reasonable. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one, which is the Bicester Village haul. So definitely check that out when it's available. You should subscribe if you want to know when that is available. And ring my bell to get notified. It's free, it's not a subscription service to Netflix or anything, so definitely click the subscribe button down below so you're notified of when I upload. And also check me out on Instagram, because I am filming, well, I've done some reels and putting some more effort into Instagram lately, so yeah, definitely check me out on there. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!